Mwenze Dr. William Samuel Ruto litukulia lero anena semambe ya lero liganyaro kumira naba onchurelia ba kepsa gosaba onchurelia bali bagana onchuri bwabo nabatenere babo Kenya Private Sector Association ase ensemo ya Nairobi. Ruto niga abaliere bunase serikali ya enachukobeka ensemo shilingi bilioni 50 ikigo kikoba konya soko nyara gukini oboncherere bwabo ikibaraka besa senchira yo kwegendereria omurike ito Petronira Mukeira no roboti senchira yobokerano
Omokonyi bw'omurai bwense William Ruto nigo bono abaenekeiri abanyene biasara gose private sector buna nigo omorengo o Kenya Kwanza ogochiko enekia buna obochori bw'omwaka oyo nigo bogochiko ba bw'omorembe.
Elections are not a matter of life and death. We need to make elections about choosing the people who can help us deliver on the transformation of our country and on the progress of our nation without making it a life and death issue.
Nigo amenta goteba buna nigo bagochiwanchirana na machibu yobochori obonene elyokwena kyabuna nigo ense ya Kenya egochikogenderera busyo.
I am giving you my commitment here unequivocally, publicly, that I will accept the outcome of the election whichever way it goes.
Nonyana bonigo amoboliri omurai bw'ekyama gya ODM Raila Odinga kobaenekeria abakenya buna nachigwanchirana na machibu y'obachori obwo.
I wish our competitors can do the same. They have never done it in the past. They are yet to do it. I have listened to them carefully. They keep saying, oh, you know, we will accept the results if. When you say if, I mean if. In whose judgment?
Nigo Ruto ayakwana yalitukulia lero asege ikaro kya bene n'abateneneri babo onchorero babene ime ya Nairobi ase Kenya Private Sector Alliance gose KEPSA baliganya omurengo o Kenya Kwanza eliogokwanera igoro yogokinie ebirengo bya uchumi asense ya Kenya.
Starting a business, despite improvements, Kenya's doing business ranking on registration, starting the business is still poor compared to our regional best performers. Business licensing, permits, and inspections. In 2006, we did a guillotine of licenses. They are all back. So it's about time again. We went back. Otherwise, we'll continue to kill our businesses or remain small. There's no reason why 80% of our businesses are SMEs, but they only contribute less than 30% of our GDP.
And ultimately, let's all see, where can I be? Again, starts from MCAs, goes to MPs, goes to county governors, goes to states, and then goes to the presidency. I think ultimately, all we're talking about is, can we now encourage a positive environment for Kenya? So that this syndrome of every 4 years, 5 years, we slow down and then we come up again, it should not be that way. It should be like elections come and go. And on August 10th, 12th, 13th, we're still brothers. We're all together. We're all on this one. And, we don't have a problem.
It's about increasing our productivity and expanding the market for everybody.
Petronira Mukeira, Ndizi TV.